What you know?
Hi. Do you live that crushing life in Animal Jam where you are broke and you can't buy anything in anyone's shop but has so many gems, but all of the gem items are kind of weird? Well, introducing Buying Sapphires for Gems. It's a new update in Animal Jam where you go in to the sapphire shop, you buy all the sapphires you want with all your gems that you have, and then you become rich. And you can buy so many things. You can buy your dream item in the My Shop Explorer. You can even spend your sapphires on just things you see in Jamal. And all you have to do to get a bunch of gems is sit and best guess. It's the best way to get so many sapphires. And then you can get all the sapphires you want. And then you won't be sad anymore and you can be super happy because you are rich now.